Hello students, in our previous class we have learned what is the voice and their types. So this video lecture is the continuation of that. Okay, how to change active voice into a passive voice. Okay, here look the example. Mohan writes a letter. This is the normal sentence and it is active voice. Mohan writes a letter. Mohan is the subject. Write is the main verb and a letter is the object. Okay, when we convert in a passive voice, that time subject is converted in a object and object is converted into the subject. Okay, so a letter is a subject for passive voice and we use helping word according to the tense. So Mohan writes a letter is the present indefinite. So we use here Mohan. This is the third person. So we use here in a singular. So we use here is. So a letter is a singular. So we use here also is. A letter is. And when we convert in a active to passive, then the main verb will be written in the form of the third form. Okay. So the written is the third form of the right main verb. Okay, so we use here written and we put by by before the new object because Mohan is in active voice space. In active voice he is that is a subject, so it will be converted in the form of the object. So we written here by Mohan. So the passive voice is a letter is written by Mohan. So students, you just remember what we use in a passive voice. Here are some rules in active to passive that are I explained you earlier. Okay, active to passive, when we convert it, then subject is converted into object and object will be converted into the form of the subject. And the second rule is new object. We use by before the new object. We use by word before the new object and we use helping word according to the tense in a passive voice. Okay, so when we convert active to passive, then we also remember something. I is converted into the form of me, you will be converted as it is in a form of you. She is converted into the form of her. They is converted into the form of them. And again we is converted into the form of us. And he is converted into the him, and it will be as it is, and who is write down in the form of the whom. Okay, so you remember it. Okay, again look here, when we converted it to active to passive, according to the tense also we use modal verb through the let, through the imperative sentences and infinitive जो words that will be converted into the form of the active to passive voice. Okay, so look here some example. AV, that means the active voice, and PV means the passive voice. वो किताब पढ़ रहा है. Okay, वो किताब पढ़ रहा है, ये सेंटेंस जो है वो आपका एक्टिव वॉइस में है, नॉर्मल सेंटेंस है. और जब हम इसे पेसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, व्हेन वी कन्वर्ट इनटू पेसिव वॉइस, दैट टाइम व्हाट वी विल रिटर्न इट किताब. किताब इज अ ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, सो वी राइट डाउन हियर किताब को उसके द्वारा, वो दैट मीन्स उसके द्वारा पढ़ा जा रहा है. पेसिव वॉइस क्या होगा? किताब को उसके द्वारा, वो की जगह यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, उसके द्वारा, द्वारा वर्ड जो है, द्वारा मीन्स बाय, बाय, उसके द्वारा पढ़ा जा रहा है। द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज, राहुल ने मुझे यह बताया, राहुल ने मुझे यह बताया। और जब हम इसको पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, मुझे राहुल के द्वारा यह बताया गया। So students, I explain it in Hindi also because you learn it properly. तो firstly we look, राहुल ने मुझे बताया, तो राहुल के द्वारा मुझे बताया गया। और सेकंड सेंटेंस जिसमें मुझे राहुल के द्वारा बताया गया, तो द्वारा वर्ड बाय द राहुल। तो इनके सेंस में कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं है, बस सब्जेक्ट जो है वो ऑब्जेक्ट में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है और जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो सब्जेक्ट में, दैट मीन्स कर्ता कर्म में और कर्म जो है वो कर्ता के फॉर्म में चेंज हो रहा है। नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल देखिए इधर, उसने मुझे जाने दिया, लिसन प्रॉपरली, उसने मुझे जाने दिया। अगर हम इसको पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे दैट मीन्स मुझे उसके द्वारा जाने दिया गया। तो इस तरीके से हम एक्टिव टू पैसिव वॉइस जो है वो कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं एक्टिव को पैसिव में। सम रूल्स आर गिवन हियर, you when we change in active to passive voice, here the tenses form, look properly in a present indefinite. We also know here is the ta, te, ti, and we use in active voice do and does, okay, and in a passive voice we use is, am, are, helping verbs, and present continuous is, am, are. And passive voice also we use is, am, are, and when we convert it into passive voice we use also the being, being, being word, okay. And a present perfect tense, have, has we use, and in a passive voice have been, has been, like that you use. And in a present perfect continuous, has, or have been, or has been. And when we convert into passive voice then we use it have been, being, or has been, being, but it is a rare condition, okay. And in a past indefinite tense we always use did in a negative and interrogative, and this is also active voice. And when we convert it into the passive voice that time we use was or were. And in a past continuous tense रहा था उस समय हम यूज करेंगे was or were, और जब हम उसको पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे दैट टाइम वी राइट डाउन was or were with being, ओके। उसी तरीके से इन अ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस चुका था, दैट टाइम वी यूज had verb, okay. And when we converted into the passive voice that time we use the had been, we will write down had been, okay. In a future perfect, past perfect continuous, it is also the rare condition had been, which we use in a had been plus being word, okay. In a future indefinite we use will, okay. And passive voice when we convert, when we use that time we use will be. In a same future continuous, will be converted into the form of the will be plus being, it is a rare condition. And perfect, future perfect will have, that it will be converted into the form of, in a passive voice we will write down will have been, and future perfect continuous is a rare condition. So you learn this flow chart and remember it also always, okay. And look some examples. So the tense we convert the active to passive, okay. Look the student here some examples. First is he plays football, he plays football. And this is the rule. According to the rule, do, does will be converted into the form of the is, am, and are. So football is here object and he is the subject. So we write down firstly football, and according to the football we use the helping verb is because it is a singular. And we use the third form of the main verb. Here main verb is the play, okay. Here main verb is the play. So we write down played, play, played, played. Played is the third form of the word play. Okay, and after that we will write by, by K द्वारा, and then we write down he will be converted into the form of him. Okay, so he plays football is active voice, and its passive is what? Football is played by him. Okay, he plays football, वह फुटबॉल खेलता है या फुटबॉल उसके द्वारा खेला जाता है. In a second example, he does not play cricket. वह क्रिकेट नहीं खेलती है. That time we will convert it into the, when passive voice, that time we use object firstly in the form of subject. So we write down here cricket, and it is a game or a single, so we write down is, and does not, we use only not. Played is the third form of the verb play, so we write down here play, and after that we use by, and she will be converted into the form of her. So she does not play cricket, and its passive is cricket is not played by him. So students, you write down you learn all these questions according to that active to passive. And again the 6th number question, here is the have has. So look here properly. I have watched this movie. I have watched this movie. This is the past, and have is present. That means it is a past perfect tense. Okay, and when we converted into passive voice, that time this movie, this is the object. This movie is the object, so we will write it in the form of the subject in a passive. This movie, according to this movie, we use has been. Have or had is converted to the form of has been, have been. Okay, so we write down this movie has been watched, ed. Okay, watched by me. Here is also the third form, and in a passive voice we write down the always third form of the verbs, main verb. So we also write down here watched by me. And again the next example number 7. Why did he call you? Why did he call you? And it is start from the WH word, so we make according to that. We write down firstly why, then after you with the you we use are verb because it is a past, so we use were, and were you called by. He is converted into the form of him, and at last we put the question mark. Okay, so according to according to the rule of the active to passive, how it will be changed, you look the next example and understood it properly. Okay, so write down into your copy and learn it, and do practice more and more. Okay.